Sakin ka, patayin ka, tapos kunin mo yung kinuha niyong pera. Pagdating doon sa stasyon, sabihin ng polis, report ng recorded. Go where you want. That increase the number of crime tenfold. May isang senador, Pangilinan, noon below 8, no criminal liability. Below 9 rather. Below 9. Above 9, under 12, may tignan ng fiscal o ano, if there is really malice or a violent character. Noon, 12 hanggang 16, apply na yung law. Pero usually, yung bata talagang nire-release. Here comes Pangilinan. You know what the guy did? Yung problema natin ngayon. Yung mga hold-upper, yun yung nakikita ninyo noon na sa Dewey Boulevard. Nakikita ninyo nag-snatch, takbo dito, takbo doon, nakukuha sa camera. And do you know, I said, why they are so bold to do that, daring? Because they have been previously, sa experience nila, under the Pangilinan law. Hindi ka makulong. Piskal na ako noon. Sabi ko, napakagagong. And the Congress that went along with it. Yung mga abogado, yung ikaw, tanongin ko siya, buhay pa man kayo? Yung members of the Congress, hindi pa ninyo binasa ng gusto yan. Kaya doon nagsimula ang pulis na magsabi, minor yan, huwag yan.